Lot number 551 is a Honda powered pressure cleaner. This appears to be an industrial or commercial grade pressure cleaning system. This was installed in the bed of a full-size pickup truck for the city. It comes with two reels, just how they were mounted on the truck. They removed them and they put them here with tie wraps just to make it easier to move around. The unit has been out of service for just about a year now. Unknown working conditions, no key included. And I don't see any way where I can try and pull start it or anything. I don't even want to remove those reels that are tightly secured on to the frame. It appears to be a complete system. It has a gasoline fuel tank. It's got a diesel tank. The motor appears to be complete. All the components appear to be in place. Some hoses look dry rotted. Some don't. It shows surface rust in the bottom of the brackets. It shows normal wear and tear. Unknown why it was removed from service. There's the muffler. It's got a pump there. Appears to have a hot water system. It's got an electric motor down there. Not sure exactly what I'm looking at here, but it does appear to be a commercial grade pressure cleaning system. It appears to be in good shape. It shows normal wear and tear. It's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. It comes with no keys, and the buyer is responsible for loading this. It's sitting here on a pallet, but there is no forklift or any kind of equipment here to load this for you. This was dropped off by a flatbed tow truck, and the buyer is solely responsible for loading it. There's no assistance here from the city at all. But it seems like a couple of guys will be able to pick this up and slide it onto the back of a truck or a small trailer. All right, so there you have it. It's a Honda powered commercial grade pressure cleaning unit. It's lot number 551. Good luck.